In this video, we see the key to understanding the past tense called past progressive or past continuous. But the name is not important, so I will call it past number 2. As with present 1 and past 1, I am simply taking the examples from present 2 and putting them in the past. So, starting with the question, what were you doing? We can see we are again using the verb to be, only now in the past, and putting ing on the end of the other verb. The thing is, we now have a problem in understanding the question because we need to know when. So let's say yesterday at 10. What were you doing yesterday at 10? Our answer here is I was learning English, which again uses the structure of to be in the past and ing on the end of the verb learn. If we show that on our timeline, we can mark yesterday at 10 as a reference point, and we see that I had started before 10, but at 10 I had not finished. So, as with present 2, we have the situation of started but not finished, only now it is in the past. This then is our key to understanding and using past 2. Started but not finished in the past. Once we have our time reference understood, we can ask questions like, were you learning English? Which has the same structure with to be in the past plus ing on the end of learn. The simple answer could be, yes I was. The learning English part is understood, so doesn't need to be spoken. Alternatively, no, I wasn't, for a negative reply. The sentence, you were learning English, is not normally a question, unless I change my voice and say, you were learning English? Really? Which, as in present number 2, is a way to show surprise. This tense is useful for telling stories in the past when things happened at the same time. For example, it was a dark night. The children were sleeping in their beds. The parents were watching TV downstairs. The wind was blowing through the trees. Suddenly, there was a scream. On our timeline, we can show the dark night, which started and finished in the past, past 1. The children sleeping, started but not finished, past 2. The parents watching TV, started but not finished, past 2. The wind blowing through the trees, started but not finished, past 2. And the scream, which interrupted everything and becomes the reference point, past 1. This combination of tenses, past 1 and past 2, helps us understand the sequence of events and their relationship with each other and in time.